trendsetters, welcome back to my channel where we stay on the top for the latest buzzworthy topics. Today we are diving into the world of trendy words that are taking the internet by storm. Get ready to expand your vocabulary with me and impress your friends with these hip and happening expressions. So without taking any further time, let's jump right into it. The very first word is bingeable. That is referring to content, any TV show or something that is so engaging and entertaining that one can watch it for extended periods without getting bored. यानी कि जब आप कोई टीवी शो या कुछ भी ऐसा बहुत देर तक देखते हैं without any boredom. For example, I just started watching this new series and it's totally bingeable. I have been watching it all weekend. The next one is flex. Flex यानी कि show off. Showing off or boasting about one's accomplishments, possessions or abilities. Example, did you see that photo he posted on Instagram? He is really flexing with his new car. The third one is FOMO यानी कि fear of missing out. जब आपको एक अंदर से डर होता है कि कहीं मैं रह ना जाऊं. The anxiety or uneasiness one feels when they think they are missing out on exciting or enjoyable experiences. For example, I couldn't say no to the party invitation. I didn't want to experience FOMO. मुझे अकेले नहीं रहना था. The next one is influencer. Now this is a very trendy word. Influencer means someone who has a significant following on social media platforms and has the ability to influence their followers. जिनके पास एक पार होती है and they have the ability to influence their followers' opinion and behavior. Example, she is an influencer on Instagram and her fashion recommendation always get a lot of attention. The next one is clout. Clout का मतलब होता है जब किसी की कोई पहचान बन जाती है और उसके पास एक पावर आ जाती है, एक ताकत आ जाती है. Clout means referring to influence, power or social status. For example, he gained a lot of clout after his song became a hit. The next one is ghosting. Ghosting का मतलब होता है जब आपसे कोई एकदम से बात करना बंद कर दे. The act of abruptly and intentionally cutting off all communication with someone and that too without any explanation. जब आपको अचानक से कोई बात करना बंद कर देता है. For example, I thought we had a great connection, but he suddenly started ghosting me and stopped responding to my messages. Now this is a very common culture we all follow these days. The next one is cancel culture. Cancel culture means the act of publicly calling out and boycotting individuals or any entities or groups for their problematic behavior or beliefs. जब हमें लगता है कि यार ये लोग हमारे तरीके के नहीं है तो हम सबके सामने उन्हें बॉयकॉट कर देते हैं, उन पे पाबंदी लगा देते हैं. For example, the celebrity faced severe backlash and was subjected to cancel culture after making offensive remarks. And here comes the next, that is sustainable. Sustainable means referring to practices or products that have a minimal negative impact on the environment and can be maintained or continued over time. यानी कि जो हमारे पर्यावरण के लिए अच्छे होते हैं, जो हमारे environment के लिए अच्छे होते हैं और जो environment को कोई harm नहीं देते हैं. For example, I bought this sustainable water bottle to reduce my use of single-use plastics. And the next one is self-care. Self-care, this is a very common term we usually use these days. That means activities or practices that promote one's mental, emotional and physical well-being. जब हम खुद की परवाह करते हैं, खुद की केयर करते हैं. For example, after a long week, I'm coming to have a self-care day and relax at home. And here comes the last one. That is very interesting and the word is hungry. It is a combination of two words, that is hungry and angry. भूख भी लग रही है और गुस्सा भी आ रहा है. Usually बहुत होता है हम लोगों के साथ. So this word is basically used to describe being irritable or short-tempered just because of the hunger. For example, I need to eat something soon, otherwise I am going to get hungry. Did any of these trendy words resonate with you, or perhaps you have some other trendy words you would like to share with us? Let us know in the comments below, and you know what, we love hearing from our viewers and engaging in discussions. That's all for now. Remember to stay in the loop with the latest trendy words and continue to expand your linguistic horizons. Until next time, take care, keep learning and embrace the ever changing beauty of language.